crochet in US terminology, referred to as a double crochet in UK terminology. We begin with a foundation chain. I have made a sample chain of 4. We need to bring up our yarn to the height of the first row. For a single crochet, we chain 1. To chain, we yarn over and pull it through the loop on the hook. Now we want to do our first stitch into the second chain from the hook. We don't count the loop that's on our hook, that's part of our working yarn. We count from there on. We place our hook into the second loop from the hook, yarn over and pull it through. We have 2 loops on the hook. We then yarn over and pull through both loops. We insert our hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Our first row is complete. We need to step up to the next row by doing a turning chain. So yarn over and pull through and turn our work. We'll be working into the tops of the stitches from the former row. You can see the tops of the stitches make lots of little V's. We will be placing our hook under these V's. From the side you can see a small hole between each of the stitches. This is where we place our hook. We yarn over and pull it through, so we have 2 loops on the hook. We yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Then we carry on into the next stitch. Through the top of the stitch, yarn over and pull through. And yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Carry on until the end of the row. At the end of each row, chain 1, turn your work and carry on with the row. And there we have our single crochet, also known as a double crochet in the UK terminology.